Hey everyone, ready to dive into something really cool? Today, it's all about ShopConnect. You know, that software that, well, think about it. Your Mindbody set up perfectly in sync with a Shopify store.
Like a total power-up for your business.
Right, and it's not just like a basic connection. This thing syncs everything. Products, services, you name it, even sales data. I mean, especially if you're already feeling a little stretched thin, like...
Oh, yeah. But that's the beauty of it. It's designed to, actually make your life easier. You make changes in Mindbody, something you're already doing, and boom, Shopify reflects those changes.
No more double entry.
Exactly. No more staying up late, making updates in two places. It just works.
That's already pretty amazing. But what really sold me were those reviews from, actual businesses using it. Carolyn Holdsworth from Nurture Spa, she said ShopConnect saves her hours each day.
Literally hours. And it's one thing to see the features listed out, but then you hear a business owner like Mimi McNeil from FigFace call it life-changing.
Yeah.
And that's when it really hits you.
Yeah, that's powerful stuff. So let's break this down a bit. First off, how easy is the setup? Asking for a friend who might not be the most tech-savvy.
Well, good news for your friend because you don't need to be a coding whiz or anything. ShopConnect is really user-friendly, and that integration with Mindbody is super smooth.
Okay, so I'm picturing this right. I add, say, a new aromatherapy candle in Mindbody. What happens next?
Okay, so that candle with a description, price, pictures, even how many you have in stock, it automatically appears in your Shopify store, ready to sell. And the key here is that Mindbody is the master, so any changes you make there, updating a description, changing the price, it all flows through instantly.
No more logging into two different systems to make the same change twice. I feel like my brain just took a vacation. Seriously, this sounds almost too good to be true.
It's the kind of efficiency that can, really make a difference. We're not talking about saving a few minutes here and there. This is potentially hours freed up that you can put back into your business.
Okay, let's talk impact on sales, because ultimately we all want to reach more clients, right? How does this online store powered by ShopConnect help with that?
Well, think of it this way. Your physical location has set hours, but your online store with ShopConnect, it's open 24/7, 365. People can browse, book services, even buy gift cards anytime, anywhere.
It's like having this tireless salesperson working around the clock.
Yeah.
And since everything's synced, you're giving your clients a consistent experience, whether they're online or in your actual location.
Exactly. Someone could book a massage on Mindbody, then grab some aromatherapy oils from your Shopify store to, continue that experience at home. All seamless, easy.
Speaking of making things easy, I want to talk more about that client experience online. We all know how important that is. How does ShopConnect kind of excel in that area?
From what I've seen, it really streamlines the entire journey. Let's say a new client finds your line of organic skincare products on your Shopify store. They make a purchase. Now, with ShopConnect, that client's info doesn't just stay on Shopify. They're automatically added to your Mindbody system. No manual entry for you.
Okay, that makes sense. So that new client, they can jump right into booking appointments or classes, and all their purchase history is right there in their Mindbody profile.
Exactly. It's this connected ecosystem, benefits everyone.
Love it. And what about existing clients who are already on Mindbody?
You can actually use ShopConnect to invite them to create Shopify accounts.
Oh, it's smart.
Yeah, it makes it super simple for them to start checking out your online store, discover all those great products and services.
No more juggling multiple accounts. Just like a smooth, straightforward experience.
That's the key, right? It's not just about online selling. It's about this integrated, holistic way of managing your business, building those client relationships.
Okay, let's get a little more into the nitty-gritty here. We talked about product syncing, but what about services? How does ShopConnect handle those?
Handles them really well. Let's say you offer different yoga classes or maybe massage packages through Mindbody. ShopConnect syncs those over to your Shopify store too, makes them available for online booking.
So someone could browse my yoga packages, pick the one they want, book their classes, all right there on my Shopify store.
Exactly. And here's something even better. If you have multiple Mindbody locations, ShopConnect handles that too.
Wait, really?
Yep. Clients choose their location when they're booking, and everything gets routed correctly on the back end.
Multi-location businesses, listen up. This changes everything. I mean, no more managing bookings across different locations manually. It all flows through ShopConnect.
It's all about taking those headaches away so you can, get back to focusing on what matters.
Yeah.
Those great services and experiences for your clients.
And speaking of great experiences, one thing that really stands out to me with ShopConnect is the customization. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. It really adapts to your business. Can you give us some examples of how that works?
Definitely. One area where you have a lot of control is, well, the syncing itself. You can decide which Shopify order status actually triggers a sync with Mindbody.
So not every single order syncs immediately.
Right. You could choose to have them sync after payment, or maybe even after fulfillment.
Makes sense. You're in control.
Exactly. It's about making the software work for you, not the other way around.
I love that. Any other examples of this kind of granular control?
You also have flexibility with which sale details from Mindbody go to Shopify. You can choose to sync just product sales, just service sales, or both. Even things like tips and account payments if you want.
So if I wanted to keep my Shopify store just for product sales, like those aromatherapy candles we talked about, and keep service bookings on Mindbody, ShopConnect would let me do that.
Absolutely. You decide what gets synced and how. It makes sure your setup really aligns with your business model, your goals. That's what makes it such a game changer for all kinds of Mindbody businesses.
I feel like we're barely scratching the surface here. There's so much this software can do. Now, we mentioned those amazing user reviews earlier. Did any of them highlight specific features or benefits that really stood out?
One thing that came up a lot was how easy it is to use.
Really?
Yeah, people loved that. Intuitive, user-friendly, even for those who aren't, super tech savvy. They didn't have to spend hours figuring it out.
That's so important. We're all busy enough as it is.
And another thing was the support from the ShopConnect team. People raved about how responsive and helpful they were.
It makes a difference, right? Knowing you have a team to back you up. It's like a partnership, not just a software vendor.
Speaking of partnerships, let's talk about how ShopConnect can partner with your marketing efforts to, boost sales and reach even more clients. This is where things get really interesting.
Okay, tell me more. How can ShopConnect be like a secret weapon for marketing?
So one of the coolest things is how ShopConnect lets you use all that client data you have in Mindbody to, create really targeted marketing campaigns. Oh, that's interesting. Imagine sending a special offer on, aromatherapy products, but only to people who have booked a massage in the past.
It's like you know what they want before they even ask.
Exactly. And because everything's connected, you can actually see how well those campaigns work. Did people click? Did they buy something? Did they book a service? It's all right there.
No more guessing, just real data. Okay, targeted emails, that's definitely a win. What else can we do with ShopConnect for marketing?
Well, think about social media. You could create ads showing off your most popular products, maybe a new service you're offering, and link them straight to your Shopify store.
Okay, so I could have an ad for, say, a new organic facial treatment, link it to my Shopify store, and people could just book it right there.
Exactly. It's seamless, right? They see something they like, click, and boom, they're ready to book or buy.
Creates a direct connection between your social media and your store.
And don't underestimate the power of content marketing. Blog posts, videos, things like that, sharing tips, advice, all related to what you offer.
Yeah.
Then you promote that content on your Shopify store, social media, in your emails. It really positions you as an expert.
It's like giving people a peek behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Showing them you're passionate about what you do, not just selling something.
It's about adding value, building a community.
Okay, so we've got targeted emails, social media ads, content marketing. It's like ShopConnect has all the marketing tools built right in.
It's about working smarter, using technology to really connect with people.
I'm so excited to start using all of this. This has been really eye-opening.
It's inspiring to see what businesses are doing with ShopConnect, creating those amazing client experiences.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today. The seamless integration with Mindbody, those time-saving features, the reviews, the marketing potential. ShopConnect really is a game changer.
It shows how technology, when used the right way, can help us do more, be more.
Absolutely. And on that note, I want to thank you all for joining us for this deep dive into ShopConnect. I hope it's been as insightful for you as it has been for me.
Remember, you have the power to transform your business. Embrace the possibilities and let ShopConnect help you get there.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep diving deep.